In a story shrouded in mystery and heartache, the disappearance of baby Darren Jason Shannon, known simply as Jason, continues to haunt those who remember him. Jason was born to Michelle Swift and John Barry Shannon, who went by Barry. After their separation, Michelle moved back in with her parents and was awarded custody of baby Jason, while Barry was granted visitation rights. Despite the fractured family ties, the relationship between the father and child remained intact, until one fateful day. On the 9th of June 1973, 25-year-old Barry visited his 11-month-old son at Jason's grandparents' home on Blackdown Street in Elizabeth West, now Darravin Park. Michelle recalls that day vividly. Barry came to the house twice, once in the early afternoon and again in the evening. That was unusual, she said. Although Barry had struggled with mental health issues in the past, nothing seemed amiss until he attempted to leave with Jason. Michelle's father intervened, trying desperately to stop him, an act that left a long-lasting sense of guilt that he couldn't. Baby Jason was taken from the home and vanished without a trace. Just 2 hours later, at around 9:15 p.m, Barry was involved in a fatal head-on collision on Main North Road near Roseworthy, a crash that claimed his life. A thorough search of the vehicle and crash scene revealed no sign of Jason. Investigators concluded that Barry, constrained by the short 2-hour window, could have only driven as far as Clare or Port Wakefield from Elizabeth before returning through Roseworthy. Detailed soil tests from his car and shoes showed only traces from his parents' and former in-laws' homes. No evidence of him having been in other areas or digging a hole to dispose of the baby. The mystery deepened as police, despite extensive local and national searches, including investigations at hotels, motels and petrol stations, failed to locate baby Jason. 2 unsettling theories emerged. Either Barry had murdered his own son and disposed of the body in an unknown location, or he had entrusted Jason to a friend or relative to be raised in secret. At the time of his disappearance, Jason was dressed in a long white nightdress, a blue buttoned-up cardigan and a nappy, a haunting detail that has remained etched in the memories of those involved. In 1974, Michelle, along with her parents, returned to the UK. Though she has now since remarried and raised another son, she admits that a glimmer of hope still lingers, a hope that someday she might learn the truth about what happened to her firstborn, who would now be 52 years old. In an effort to resolve this decades-old mystery, authorities are offering a reward of up to $1 million for information that leads to a conviction in this case or the recovery of baby Jason's remains. The enduring enigma of what really happened on that fateful day continues to captivate and sadden those left behind, a stark reminder of a mystery that refuses to fade away.